Welcome back my video. Everyone who travels in an Arab country likes to taste the most famous food of that country, am I right? Today I am talking about everyone's favorite hot dessert, Umali. Not only that, let's see how we can easily make it ourselves. Umali, also spelled Umali, is a delicious and traditional Egyptian dessert. It is a hot and comforting dessert made with layers of filo pastry or puff pastry, milk, nuts, such as almonds and pistachios, and sometimes raisins. The ingredients are typically soaked in sweetened milk and then baked until the top is golden. It is often flavored with ingredients like coconut, vanilla, or cinnamon, giving it a delightful aroma. Let's go to the video. If there is a problem, comment to us. First, bake the puff pastry until golden brown. I didn't bake puff now. I took baked puff pastry for this video. Next I add milk, sugar, rosewater, honey to the pan. And put the fire and boil it well. Now add the hot mixture to the puff pastry and soak well. Here I add the mixture several times. Sock mixture, scale how much you want. Beat the whipping cream until whipped. Pip whipped cream top of the mixture. And backed oven 210 C 15 minutes until color comes, or use salamander until golden brown color to come. Finally add mixed baked nuts on top. This video is good. Don't forget to press the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.